Torchbeam T2H139008 off-road bulbs. The Torchbeam T2H139008 off-road bulbs are an excellent choice for those seeking reliable and powerful lighting solutions for their vehicles. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that these bulbs deliver exceptional performance and value. One of the standout features of the Torchbeam T2H139008 off-road bulbs is their brand reputation. Torchbeam has established itself as a trusted name in the automotive lighting industry, known for producing high-quality products. Their commitment to excellence is evident in the construction and performance of these bulbs. Designed specifically for off-road use, these bulbs provide a powerful and focused beam of light, ensuring enhanced visibility and safety during night drives or in low-light conditions. The H13 color of the bulbs offers a bright and clear illumination, improving your overall driving experience. The Torchbeam T2H139008 off-road bulbs.